Creating a presentation design yourself can be tricky, especially if you're starting to create your presentation design from scratch. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step and teach you how to create a presentation design using Canva. There are several templates to choose from. Let's take a look and get started. If you don't have an account on Canva, visit canva.com and create a free account. After that, log into your account and get started. Go to the Canva home screen and type in presentation. You will see hundreds of templates available for you to customize. You can scroll down and take a look at the various templates that are available for you. You will notice that there are many templates that are free to use. You will see some of them do have a Canva Pro subscription on it. If you want to use these templates, you have to be a Canva Pro subscriber. You can see many of these templates. Some of them are creative and some of them are professional. So now you can choose any of the templates that work best for you. Today, I'll show you how to make a customized presentation design for yourself. If you want to search for anything specific to see more specific design templates, you can go up here and type in, for example, business presentations. Now you can see several similar business presentation template options here. Let's go ahead and pick a template. Once you choose the template for yourself, click on Customize this template. It's now completely open on your Canva screen. Everything on this template can be edited. First, let's go ahead and adjust the company name on this template. You can double-click or highlight on the name and type in your company name here. You can upload your company logo here. From the left-hand side, you see an option to upload. You can click on it and upload your company logo and update it here. Now you can edit the website address here of your company. On the left side, you can see all of the template pages. Select any page design you want to continue with the presentation. But first, click here to add an extra page. Once you click on it, you can select the page design template from the left-hand side and continue to make edits. And repeat this process and add as many presentation pages as you like. If you want to adjust the font, go ahead, double-click or highlight the text. Go to the top of the screen and now you can see the various font styles available for you to use. You can select any font you like and click on it to preview it on the template. Once you find the font that you like, you can go ahead and adjust the font size. And if you want to change the font color, you can change it from here. Throughout this template, you can use the same font or change font as per your requirement. All you need to do is double-click on the text or highlight and then go to the top of the screen and click on Font to change it. You will see all the fonts being used in this template at the top here. If you want to change the color anywhere in the template, click on it and go up here and choose the color that works with you. Okay, now let me show you some other useful features when it comes to editing a business presentation design on Canva. The template that I have selected for this example includes some design elements that you may or may not wish to keep. Go ahead and select the element that you want to delete, edit, or change. If you wish to delete, you can select the design element and click on the delete icon here. If you wish to move this design element to some other place, click on it and move it around like this. You can also change the color of this design element. Click on the design element and go up here and choose the color that works with you. If you want to change or add another design element, on the left-hand side, you see Elements as an option. Click on it, and you will see examples of elements to choose. If you wish to find something specific, you can search it from here as well. If at any point you decide that you don't like the changes that you have made, remember to just use the undo button at the top here. Although you don't need to do this, given that you already have pre-populated text boxes that you can use to update it as per your requirement, but in case you want to add more text boxes, you can go on the left-hand side here and select text to add any additional text boxes for you to use. To update any images on this presentation or replace placeholder images, you can upload it from the option on the left and select the file and replace it with the existing image on this template or add a new one. Once you are done editing your business presentation design template, make sure to come up here and click on File and then click Save. Canva also saves all of your work automatically. If you wish to download this business presentation design, come up to the top right hand side and click on Share and scroll down to click on Download. I recommend downloading the suggested file type, but you can also see different file options available for you. So now you have a professional looking business presentation design ready. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please type a comment below and consider subscribing for more tutorials like these.